So, my husband is redoing the balcony thing. Let me see if I can zoom in up there. But it was leaking, so we're not just doing it because of aesthetics or whatever. But it doesn't leak anymore, so that's great. Yuck. I'm gonna have to pull that stuff down. Well, I'm painting my plant room. It's gonna be a beautiful pink color. I'm gonna love it. I have everything shoved over there right now. Have a mercy. Also, we gotta do some outdoor work. There is some frickin' what is that? Vines and stuff crawling up the house over there. Like they got on the bush. And that's a pretty bush. I don't know what the name of it is. I forgot. But it has like spilling over white flowers on it, right? And then there was like vines growing on it, and now they're growing up the house. We need some outdoor work done. But anyways, this is the progress right now. My husband's so sloppy. Look, he be getting pink paint everywhere. Anyway, it'll be done soon. I love it. Look at that bird's nest, you guys. It's our house. Let's see if we can. There's two birds in there. I don't know if you can see or not. One of the birds does not move or go anywhere. And the other one goes and does everything. Isn't that sweet? That's just what we've been watching as we paint this plant room pink. So here's some, here's some progress. Let's go out. How you liking it, guys? It's kind of dry, of course. We're gonna do something about, some little issues. But oh yeah, let me show you guys something. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, right? And they come with like that little paintbrush. Okay? That little tray. And that paint roller right there. Well, look what you can do with this little foam paint roller. It's real tiny, right? Load it up with paint, okay? So, you know when you're painting, how like in this paneling, it's kind of hard to get the paint in there sometimes. Go to Dollar Tree and get these and just put it in there first, okay? And then roll over it. That's what I did after like using a paintbrush to get in these crevices. Boy, that's a whole lot easier. Alright, well there's my little update, what we're doing here in this room. Look at those birds. Let's do that real quick again. Hold on, I'm gonna put my paintbrush down. Ugh. If y'all see a mess in my house, you gotta ignore it, because we are doing work. And that's what happens. You know that. Look how sweet. I could just sit here and watch these birds all day. Well, let's leave those two little lovebirds to it. We don't even know what they're doing. They may want privacy, huh?